Hi, my name is Ben. I'm currently employed at TriTool. I want to be in a management position at some point. If I had to give advice to anybody going into this, I would say if you're ever offered a position, jump on it. Don't hesitate, because the more you learn, the better you are, the better off you're going to be.
My name is Jacob Vasquez and I'm an assemblyman. I install lead in the x-ray machines. I am a high school graduate. I've been in skilled labor for 6 years. It's fun, interesting, and I'm always learning something new, and I'm always on my toes.
My name's Mason Sloan. I'm an out-process technician, which entails to inspecting the parts that come out of the shop and prepping them for shipping. I like working with my hands and figuring out problems and just staying busy. My career goals for the future is to be a machinist, full-fledged.
Hi, my name's Jen Fabrizio, and I work for Parallax in Rockland. I love that Parallax is family-owned. It's very family-oriented. It fits with my lifestyle, and it's a very fun place to work. My advice would be to get as much experience as possible. Don't be afraid to stretch yourself and learn something new. Be willing to work in other departments where if there's help that is needed, and just to gain as much skills as possible so you can move up.
Hi, I'm Jacob Willis. I am a CNC machinist number 2 here at Insight Metal Manufacturing Services. It's a good job. There's a lot of work we have to do, a lot of work, so we won't run out of work.
My name is Eric Marks. I work at Insight Manufacturing. I'm a machinist number 2. Been working here for 7 years. I say that it's a really good pathway for kids to just find something they like and to stick with it, and it just helps them grow. I think it's a good career path, and I'd say that you should teach it and spread the knowledge if you can.
My name is Brandon Justice. I'm an inspector in the quality control department here at Insight Manufacturing Services. Starting out as a machinist definitely helped me in the quality department. I feel as though you learn more being a quality inspector, I would say. You get in more on the kind of the mathematic aspect of everything.
My name is Laura Callender. I'm a welder at Siemens. I grew up in Sacramento. I went to El Camino High School. I just love welding anyway. I love stainless steel. It just is so pretty when you weld it. It's kind of a feisty metal, it's a little more difficult. I like that. There's just something magical about seeing the completed crane, like up on the crane, moving through the shop.
My name is Laivana Hayes, and I'm a clamper at Siemens. We clamp down the frames, the bogies, so we can have the right measurements to before it can be machined and go down the process of being blasted and final assembly. One frame, I could do a frame within an hour. Within an hour, setting it up, centering it, measuring on both sides so we can have it straight in the middle. About 45 minutes.